Mastering your space, understanding the cleaning schedule. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we're going to explore a very practical and useful phrase that you'll encounter in many everyday situations: the cleaning schedule. Whether at home, work, or in public places, understanding and utilizing a cleaning schedule can greatly improve your environment and routine. So, let's dive into what a cleaning schedule is and how you can effectively use it. A cleaning schedule refers to a planned and organized routine for cleaning different areas of a space, such as a home, office, or public facility. It's not just about when to clean, but also about what specific tasks should be done at certain times. This schedule helps in maintaining a consistent level of cleanliness and ensures that every part of the space gets attention over a certain period. A well-planned cleaning schedule offers numerous benefits. Consistency. It ensures that cleaning tasks are performed regularly, preventing any area from being overlooked. Efficiency. By knowing what needs to be cleaned and when you can prepare the necessary tools and products in advance, saving time and effort. Shared responsibility. In shared spaces like homes with family or shared offices, a cleaning schedule makes it clear who is responsible for what task, reducing confusion and ensuring cooperation. Creating an effective cleaning schedule involves several steps. 1. Assessment. First, list down all the areas and items that need cleaning. 2. Frequency. Decide how often each task should be done: daily, weekly, monthly, or seasonally. 3. Assignment. If you're sharing the space with others, assign tasks to each person. 4. Documentation. Write the schedule down and place it where everyone can see it. Flexibility. Be ready to adjust your schedule as needed. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes you need to be flexible with your plans. Regular updates. As your situation changes, your cleaning schedule might need changes too. Regularly review and update it. Incentivize. Especially in a shared space, creating small rewards for completing tasks can motivate everyone to stick to the schedule. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and benefits of having a cleaning schedule. Whether you're managing your household, your workspace, or any other area, a well-structured cleaning schedule can make a significant difference in maintaining a clean and pleasant environment. Thank you for watching, and remember, a clean space is a happy space.